Hello, A-Framers. Well, today I'm excited to tell you about a new feature involving task notes. Previously, we did not have the ability to add task notes. Instead, you would need to add any sort of note under a contact note tab or a transaction activities tab. Of course, now you can add notes directly under the task and keep all of your thoughts in one place. So let's just demonstrate how this works. Essentially, anywhere you see a task in A-Frame, this feature will be available to you. So on the dashboard, we have this tasks widget here. And you can see here, this is a new icon button. This one actually shows that you have one note under this task, and the rest of these tasks have none, hence the number 0. So anywhere I see these, I can click on this button, and this will slide out a notes tab for me to add notes. You'll see I've already added a previous note, and we can add another note here. So let's just add another note. Click Save. It'll add that history, and if any time you want to delete one, you can just simply delete it there and then close the form. Now, for efficiency, you can certainly use your mouse and a whole bunch of stuff, but if you like to use the keyboard and want to be fast about things, I wanted to point out a couple of pro tips. So if I click here, it's going to open up this tab, and immediately I'm focused on the note. So I don't have to do anything else but type my note. And then you can do Shift-Enter to save the note. So Shift-Enter, and that saves it without using the mouse. And then I can click Escape to close the tab or the slide out panel. So you can see how quickly you can add notes and see what's going on by just using your keyboard when you type the note. So at any time, again, you can click here, start typing, Shift-Enter, and click Escape, and you're back to where you were. The nice thing about the slide out panel as well is you do still have the ability to click around or at least view data. Obviously, if you click off a page, the panel will go away, but if I'm sitting here on a transaction and I want to look at my notes here, they'll come out, and if I want to look around and see what's going on with different tabs, this panel will stay open for me. And if I want to edit something with a modal, it will appear up top. And then when I'm ready for this to close, I can always press the Escape key, or I could, of course, click the Close button at the top. Additionally, last but not least, the attachments have always had notes, but we have modified the user experience here to match the task tab. So instead of, I think we had a note icon here, essentially you have the same user interface. So if I click here, now I can add notes for attachments in the very same way that you add notes for tasks, and they're all here in the same sort of format, if you will. So there you go. Hope this is of use to a lot of you. I know many of you have been requesting it. Obviously, if you have questions or need help, you can reach out to us at support@aframesoftware.com. Thanks.